Hi and welcome back to another watercolor video. Today I'm creating more of a sketchy flower in my watercolor journal, and I'm starting my page by adding kind of a soft pastel background. The paints I'm using here are some of the pastel colors from White Nights. I let this dry for about an hour or so, and then I sketch in my flower using ink. It's a waterproof ink, but you have to let this dry completely, and this takes a few hours. I always do this at night and then let it dry until the next day. Today I'm completely drawing from my mind. At the beginning I wasn't sure if this will turn out good or pretty, but I am really happy with the final result. I'm holding my pen at the very end to keep my lines super loose. I'm not going for any kind of realism. I don't want to have a perfect floral image. I just want to get that impression of wild growing flowers. This kind of sketching is also a really good warm-up exercise before you start painting or drawing, because it just gets your hands warm, I would say, and you come in the right mood. And this is also something I really love because it doesn't take much time, but I told you this in all my other watercolor videos. It's just perfect for a quick artsy habit during the day, and even if you have a busy day, you will always find 5 to 10 minutes to sketch something. To get an interesting composition, I'm mixing bigger shapes with smaller, more detailed shapes, and I also try to have a high contrast, which is pretty easy here because of my black ink. I'm adding just some tiny splatters to finish up the sketch, and then I will lay my book aside to dry. before I'm going in now with my watercolors, I decided to add in some of the Neocolor crayons number 1, and these are the ones that are not water soluble. They will resist the water and they will give me a nice effect. You will find a link to my blog post about this journal page in the video description, and there you can have a look at the close-up images. I also add in some of the white one to add some highlights. And now it's time to go in with my watercolors. I'm using one of my favorite mixture at the moment. It's carmine mixed with a tiny little bit of black. For the leaves, I'm using some of that turquoisey color that I've already used on the background. I always find it very hard to pick a nice green for my leaves, and I tend to paint them in more of a bluish color often. And here I decided to pick the vanGogh dusk green color. It's kind of an emerald green or viridian green mixed with the granulating black pigment. I picked the May green from Schmincke for the upper leaves. It's a really nice and light green color. It's perfect for spring, I think. I'm almost done with my painting. I will add some color splatters to just loosen it up a little bit and make it more vibrant. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope we will see us next time. Bye!